From Msukwini village near Mthatha in the Eastern Cape have called for action against drug kingpins. Now, they made the call at the funeral of 3 young men from the Zwilibi family who were murdered in a gang-related attack at Phillipi in Cape Town.
A painful sight. The 3 young men leaving their home for the last time in coffins. Eastern Cape families often migrate to Cape Town in search of greener pastures. For these 3 men, their lives cut short after they were shot execution style.
We are saddened. Their bodies arrived last night around 11 p.m. Our children were crying and some fainted because they could not bear the sight of 3 coffins from one family. We are distraught and saddened.
Local leaders want employment opportunities in rural areas to stop urban migration.
Well, we are saying this must come to an end. We suspect in this case that the drugs and the gangsterism could be the cause of this loss. Yes. There are people who are benefiting from the drugs. The drugs is really a problem in South Africa. It makes our young generation to lose their control. That's why we are in this problem. So we are saying to those who are benefiting from the drugs, they must know that they are not killing just the individual, but they are killing the entire South Africa. By selling the drugs, they are not benefiting. Actually, the Eastern Cape is losing the breadwinners and the future generation of the country.
The main reason for the flock of people to bigger cities, especially in the Eastern Cape, is lack of employment opportunities, lack of jobs. But I firmly believe that the government can pull up that one by seeking assistance from big companies from overseas so that they could invest in this country, especially when it comes to land cultivation. There is a vast land here in the Eastern Cape, which is not occupied, it's not being used, it's not being cultivated at all. But long ago, people used to live on land produce.
The locals are hopeful the deployment of soldiers in Cape Flats will curb gangsterism. Athule Joka, SABC News, Msukwini village near